Why not carve yourself a career in carpentry and joinery? Our courses are your first step in developing the skills needed for a creative and rewarding trade, working on site or in a workshop. If you enjoy working practically and have a keen interest in construction or working with wood, then one of our carpentry and joinery courses could be the right fit for you. You'll hone your craft in our fantastic facilities led by experienced tutors teaching you a range of woodwork principles such as how to cut and make joints, use and maintain a range of both hand and power tools, how to prepare and finish pieces, expanding your skill set ready for employment. You'll leave us with the skills employers are looking for, ready to start work or progress further through an apprenticeship. With the construction industry expected to grow faster in Wales than the rest of the UK, there's never been a better time to start a career in carpentry. Find out more about our carpentry and joinery courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.